Thank you for joining for our second video clip as we dig deeper into Project Idea. In this clip, we'll be answering the Keysor Kid question, what will it include? Well, before you see a rendering, an artist rendering of roughly what our space is going to look like, or at least the space that is around the field. We are going to explore some of the major design components here, but I will point out that everything in green on the screen we will be exploring in more depth with another video clip. We're very excited about some purposeful EVOS play structures on this rubberized surface. In this rendering it shows three big rocks here. We will actually have a pride rock, but we'll also have some additional play structures that I think our kids are really going to enjoy. And then we'll have some rubberized surface over here with a roller slide that feeds into that. One of the things we like most about our play space is that there's depth. There's different heights of the grass, and actually you can't tell on this rendering, of course, but this builds up to on a berm so that this space up here is actually higher than in elevation than the space that down in here. This allows us to put this really neat tunnel that goes through under the berm, and we'll explore that in more depth in another clip. We'll also have these two unique playhouses, which again we'll explore more in another video clip, that I think our kids are really going to not only enjoy quite a bit, but I think we'll also learn quite a bit through the use of those spaces. We will have a soccer field. That is something that's very important to our Keysor kids, and we will have a regulation under 9 soccer field that will also be available to use in the community, particularly on the weekends. We're excited to have this 6-foot wide running and walking path that meanders all around the Project Idea space and actually will connect on the blacktop through some painting paths, not only to connect through here, but also through here eventually over to some additional green space that we'll have by our building. We're very excited. This will be built in 2 different phases about our stage and performance classroom, which again we'll explore later in another clip. And then not shown, we'll have a community circle over closer to the building. We'll have some bench swings, lots of gathering places for not only Keysor kids, but those in our community who may be using our space. And then we're excited also because there's lots of scientific possibilities because this is a natural space. We'll have a garden lab. We'll have our natural prairie that's been developed by our 3rd graders. We'll have rain gardens, 5 of them, that will be throughout our space that are there with purpose, but also will be used as an instructional area for scientific observations and for plantings. It's going to be a great space, and it's going to be quite beautiful. We hope you'll join us for our next video clip. Will there be play equipment? And we'll take a look at the EVOS structures. We're excited about those. Thank you.